the very first class that I want discipline, right? I don't want to take names here, right? So people are, I say everyone's time is important, I've told, right? So if somebody is not able to attend, please notify, right? Take it very seriously, man. 1 or 2 minutes late is okay, but no, not 20 minutes late and 15 minutes late, right? Yeah. So you imagine, right? You have a girlfriend, you tell you'll come to the beach and meet, and if you go like half an hour late, won't you get a slap on your face? Yes or no? Right? So
Yes,
don't do this. Don't do this to anybody. Like, no, not just girlfriend. Don't do this to your parents, your friends, your well-wishers, your teachers. Right? Everyone's time is important, man. So let's like no do that. Right? So let's do that. Otherwise, like if it happens, like no, I'll lose interest over a period of time, and we have a lot of things to do. And very important for me to make sure that all of you go in the same speed. Like no, somebody is ahead, somebody is back. I don't like. No, it's not a college, right? So my objective is make sure that at the end of 1 year, all 10 of you should have the same skills. It's like a carbon, right? If you keep a carbon on right, you get the same duplicate, right? So I want 10 exact identical skilled people to come to the market, right? Understand? So somebody should be
Yeah.
ahead. They keep a test. Everyone should get 10 out of 10. That's my expectation. If I tell you that, right? As simple as that. So it's not easy. So I'll put effort from my side. So if you don't understand anything, let me know. We can talk offline. If you want repeat class, yeah, definitely I can work. And you can ask videos. There are videos. There are slides. You look at that and ask questions. Right? I think few of you have contacted. I think Vishnu contacted me. I think Sriram keeps talking to me. Right? So please treat me as your friend, best friend, right? Don't hesitate. Send me messages. I'm definitely busy, right? So I'm definitely busy, right? And I'm sure all of you are also busy. And you have class and you're doing this on top of your class. You have house, you work in the house. You have other activities, your hobbies. Understand everything, right? But when you do something like this, do it very seriously and you will find it very beneficial at the end of year or two, right? So take it very seriously if you're interested, right? And if you find it's very difficult, you cannot cope up, talk to me in person. We'll see what we can do about it. Right? I don't want to force anybody to do certain things. I'm very clear about it. So feel free to communicate with me offline on for any discussion you want, any help, whatever it is, technical, non-technical, whatever it is. Just reach out. Assume like there's somebody you are well with, you have somebody to talk to for any issues. As simple as that. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. So let's go to our friend, Mr. Steve. Okay, I think I've not understood. I just copied, to be frank, right? So let's see. Let's see if somebody can help me to understand. Sometimes life is going to hit you in the head with a brick. Okay, I understand. Yeah. Don't lose faith. That's what it says, right? Maybe going on the road. Sorry, I have a distraction here. Please get lost. Close the door. Okay. So you are walking on the road. Is like no some brick coming on your head and like no you are getting hit. Right? It says, but still like no, don't lose faith. Right? So you have to recover and you have to like no do the next steps. You don't get rejected. Oh, brick fell on my head. My life is gone. No, not that. Right? So that's the message. Right? So never lose faith. I think we spoke about faith and belief sometime back. Right? You guys remember? I think let's ask Balaji. Is coming this Saturday at 5 p.m. Right? I hope you all saw email. Right? Power of faith. So I want one of you to ask this question: the difference between faith and belief. He said he'll answer in the next class. Right? So yeah, so faith is important. So yeah, even if so you have to recover, like a lot of you study the who made chess book, right? A lot of things will go wrong, but you have to pull up and recover fast. So that's the thing. Okay. Okay, our favorite brain teasers. How can 8 plus 8 equal to 4? Think out of the box, very simple. Don't use your just think.
Sir, 8864, sir. Last bit,
Hey,
last.
no, no man, no. Good try, but no. It should be exact 4.
Sir, 4 zeros. Sir.
4 zeros? How 8 plus 8 is 4 zeros?
Separate
No,
eight
sir. 8 in
zeros.
one 8 two. We have 2 zeros, sir, and another
No,
8 we have.
no, how? You tell me, explain. 4 zeros is not 4. I want answer to be 4. The units can be anything. The answer should be 4. 4 something. The units of the 4, whatever it is. It should be 4. 4 and then something. Okay, let's see the answer. So it's thinks out of time. 8 a.m. plus 8 hours is 4 o'clock. See, this is simple, I'm telling you, right? You find so simple actually, right? So life is that way, engineering is that way. It's very simple. It's like touching your nose, right? You can touch straight, but what you do is you take your hands around your neck and touch sometimes, right? Agree? மூக்க தலையை சுத்தி தொடர்ந்துன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க தமிழ்ல, right? So it's easy to
Yes,
touch
sir.
your
Yes.
nose. You take your hand like no to move straight you touch. If you take it around the head and it won't touch, it's very complex. You can touch the nose, but it's very complex, right? Still you may not be able to touch, right? So think simple. So every example I show every week, this is the theme. We are going to talk about problem solving. Any problem, there are simple solutions, right? So keep that in mind. I'm showing all these examples to make you think like that. If you do this, you can solve any problem in a simple way when you go to job or you on your exams or any personal issues, anything, right? Think simple, basics, right? So always remember your basics and think simple. So great thinkers. Engineering is very simple. I told you, right? It's very simple. Okay, let's ask the next question. So what has cities but no houses? Forest but no trees. Water but no fish. What's that? There are cities but no houses. There are forests but no trees. There's water, there is no fish.
3D model or something.
No, think simple, man. Think simple.
Oh, map.
How? Example, explain.
Map has cities, marked forests and water as well, but nothing, none of the other things is sure.
Excellent. Okay. So you sure said it's map. But by the way, I'm not telling these questions to him. I do it secretly, right? So he doesn't know what I'm doing. Do you know Ishwar? No, right?
No.
Okay,
I
good.
have no idea what
Good one, Ishwar. Keep it up. So guys, think different, think simple. So that's how the life and the engineering is, right? If you can do that, you will be successful engineer. People love to like hire you. Okay, let's see this. There is a word in English language. It's a little tough, so let's spend few minutes. Right? You can take your notebook and pen and work out. There's a word in English language in which first two letters signify a male. Okay? The first three letters signify a female. The first four letters signify a great man. And the whole word a great woman. What is the word? So read. So take few minutes.
Heroin.
Pardon?
Yeah, I found the first four
Heroin,
letters.
right?
Last letter only I confused. First four letters are hero.
Okay, you are on right track.
Yeah, on the right track, that I know, yeah. Oh, what is your letter? That's the question. Okay, heroine, huh?
Yes, you got it right. Very good, man. You should keep it up. It's heroine. Okay? Okay, so before I go to the next serious thing, counters, let me keep this slide. There are two updates. I sent you a WhatsApp message this morning about news on Intel. So how many of you read that story? Nobody? Okay, anyway, let's talk about it, right? So this is how, like, you have to understand. I'll spend few minutes. It's a valuable lesson for all of us, right? So sometimes we take decisions and it goes in wrong direction, right? So Murthy Rendu Chintala was my ex-boss in Qualcomm. He was one of the senior most position in Qualcomm. He came from company like Connexent or some companies, and he turned around the company and into a big position. He was responsible getting Apple as a customer to Qualcomm. You know about Apple actually, right? Apple phone. Apple is very stringent in their quality and everything. So Qualcomm products had. I'll tell you the story, but don't talk in public, man. Please don't quote me, right? So keep it within this room, right? Within this meeting. But I'm recording it also. Maybe I should pause. Give me a minute. Maybe I'll tell it's okay, but let people think it's all history anyway. There's no secret, right? So Qualcomm products were shitty, right? And in the sense that in terms of power, it's not meeting the targets. So power is the low power consumption, right? It's not very competitive in terms of leakage, in terms of active power and everything. I think I spoke about all those terminals in the first section of the leakage power and active power and everything, right? So because the power is not good, you keep charging your phone. Now, if you look at Apple phones, they're very sturdy, right? I don't know how many of you have Apple phones or iPads or MacBooks, right? They're very sturdy and it doesn't crash and it comes long. It's reliable. Its quality is great. It's not like other phones, right? So Apple stands ahead. That's why I put Steve Jobs everywhere, actually, right? They're very different. You figure it out. Maybe one of you understand. Compare the Apple phone and Vivo phone. It's like Everest and Little St. Thomas Mount, actually, right? Or Little Mount, right? It's that big gap. Am I right? One of you interested, who is interested, it's not a homework, who is interested, go to some website and study basically, right? right? Go to some website and study and compare the features. It's very different. Even Samsung and Apple, if you look at, they are very different. Look at like, some market reviews and all. Right? It's very different, right? So he was instrumental in getting Apple. So we did a lot of things, right? I worked on a few projects, so I know what is it. We'll talk offline. Maybe I'll prepare some case study and bring like what exactly how to win customers. We can talk about it if you're interested in one of the weeks, right? Right? It's very important to win customers and key customers, right? Apple is a big guy, and everyone would like to have Apple as a customer, I'm sure, right? So he was instrumental, and he's very aggressive, right? He's very aggressive. If the work is not done, he'll just yell at them. He'll ask very tough questions. He'll ask uncomfortable questions. Why does he do? That's how business runs, right? So he's that kind of a man, but he's a good person. I know him he knows me by name, right? So I've got a lot of scoldings from him. Let me tell you that also, right? I've been in tough position. I've been in his meetings, and when he talks in the meetings, everyone will be shut up. You cannot open your mouth. He's that aggressive, right? He's just like fire. Can you go nearby the sun? You won't go, right? You'll get burnt out. If he talks in the meeting, you better keep quiet. And you say, okay, Murthy, like, you have to go ahead. If you talk, open your mouth, that's it, you're done for the day. He'll fry and eat you, basically, right? That kind of a person, right? But he's a very successful businessman. He knows how to run business, right? You cannot be nice when you're running a business, right? If you're nice, then business won't be successful. So he quit Qualcomm 4 or 5 years before. I don't know when. You can read the press release. And he joined Intel. And he wanted to do similar business like Qualcomm and Intel. He was leading the mobile phone business. And Intel invested a lot of money on that particular business unit. And a lot of people from Qualcomm like left Qualcomm and joined Intel. Typically, one person goes, like all the exodus happen actually, right? So the next second in command went, third in command went, and a lot of people left Qualcomm and joined Intel. And look at Intel Bangalore today. Half of the Qualcomm people are sitting in Intel Bangalore today, right? So that happens sometimes, right? So that's one story. So this guy, like, come to the subject, right? I don't know how successful he was in Intel. I don't know. I think he got a lot of free hand, but ultimately what happened? There's a technology called 7 nanometer, right? I think I told you in the one of the earlier slides that I worked on from 130 nanometer to 10 nanometer, 8 nanometer. I told you, right? So one technology called 7 nanometer, which Intel is working on. So there are a lot of foundries. I think there's something called foundry, right? So Samsung has a foundry. TSMC, there's one company in Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, something. TSMC is very popular. You write down TSMC. Write down the name. So you can go on Google search and find out TSMC, right? And there are a lot of Chartered, United, and there are lot many companies. Go and find out what are the foundries which manufacture chips. Homework. Come back in next class and report out how many foundries you found. Do Google search. It's very easy. Write down TSMC like that. There are a lot of Chartered and whatnot. There are 5, 6 foundries that is find out, right? And what technologies they work on. Just go to Wikipedia, you'll get all the information, right? So TSMC has a lot of process from 28 nanometer, 12, 14, 10, and 8 and 7. There's a 4 nanometer also. Then people are working on, right? So when they worked on 7 nanometer, so Intel also has a fab. There's something called a fabless company. There's some company is fab, right? What is a fabless company? Company which does only the design, but they don't have a fab. Fab is a fabrication unit. You don't understand. Fab is not fabulous. Fab is a fabrication unit which can manufacture the chips. So TSMC is a fab. So they are not doing, but Intel is a fab. They have a fab, they have a design also. Qualcomm is a fabless company. They don't have a fab, they outsource. They give the job to somebody else. They give it to TSMC, they give it to Samsung, they give it to Chartered, they give it to different companies like that, right? And they get the job done. But Samsung, Intel, Texas Instruments also had a fab. I don't know what is the status today. You find out what is a fabless company and which are the design houses which have fab also, and what are the fabs is available for third party. So the advantage is that if Intel has a fab, they can customize it for their needs, right? If TSMC has a fab, Intel and Qualcomm cannot go and tell them, you do this for me. It's like a ready-made shirt and stitching a shirt to the tailor. For your cloth, you go to the tailor, you can tell him, put my collar this way, put my pocket this way, give me inner pocket, this many buttons, this style, and you can tell all these things. But if you go to shop and buy, you have to pick what models are available, right? So TSMC has few models available, then you have to choose what is available from there. So, but Intel has a process, that means you can customize, it can do whatever it wants. It's like stitching a shirt, right? So that's the difference between fabless company fab and if you have your own fab. You can tune to your needs, right? So Intel had so when Intel was doing a design, they evaluated the TSMC fab and their own fab. And this gentleman, Murthy, and maybe I know who decided, maybe this guy and maybe team of other people, or he decided on his own. He chose not to go with TSMC and he chose to go with only with Intel, their own fab, right? So what happened over a period of time, their yield, there's something called yield. I told in the one of the first sections, in the making of SOC. How many of you remember what is yield? I give you examples also. What is a yield? In English, what do you mean by yield?
Production, sir.
Production, okay. What is the production?
How much product you get?
Yeah, efficiency of the production. If you make 100 chips, 100 wafers, I told what is a wafer, right? If you make 100 wafers, how many dies? One wafer has 1,000 dies, let's assume. You make 100 wafers. So 100,000 dies you get actually, right? 100,000 chips you get. But how many of the chips are production worthy and how many chips are waste? So ratio of that is called yield. So the yield tells, I told you something called NRE, right? So NRE is very high, you're not making profit. NRE has to be very less. Non-recurring engineering cost, right? So yield has to be as high as possible. Your wastage has to be less, right? Let's say you're cooking vegetables, you bought 1 kg of some vegetable, like some raw banana or something. When you're cutting the vegetable, you find that there are some worms. Then what you do, you throw the banana. At least you cut the section of banana, you throw it out, right? And use. But if you buy 10 bananas, all the 10 bananas you can cook. It's fantastic. It's 2 bananas you throw out, that means your yield is very bad. You put 2 bananas you waste and you're paying for that and you're not using it. That's putting in the dustbin. Maybe some cow will come and eat in the road, that's fine, right? But you're not making use of it. Like that, if yield is bad, you are spending a lot of money. Okay. So what happened is the Intel 7 nanometer fab and the designs, the yield was very poor even after 2 years. So read the article, now you understand, right? So what is the yield and so that it's not effective. So if they had decided to go with TSMC, maybe he was successful. He went with their own fab. I don't know why they decided, what factors they considered. We don't know, right? It's not public. So the entire business collapsed and probably he was asked to leave. I don't know. When he left on his own or he was asked to leave, I don't know. But he's leaving in a week's time, a few days time he's leaving. And there are other big people, like I think one of my other ex-manager by name Daman, he may also leave. There's a lot of strong rumors that he may also leave. The other day Ishwar was speaking about Daman, you remember, right? He was one of my ex-manager and I think he was instrumental for me to relocate from Bangalore to Chennai when we had some personal issues. Other day, like I'll tell you some more stories. Yeah, maybe in the the lecture we'll talk about it, right? There are some very nice people, and if you're, I think, people understand well, then they'll be like helpful, right? So remind me, I'll tell you another story when we kind of finish the thing, right? So let me move ahead, right? So moral of the story, I'll tell you, right? Going between the external fab and your own fab, right? It's like this. I'll give another example. Let's say a marriage is coming in your house, right? And you want to make some sweets like laddu or whatever, like some sweets you want to make. So either you have a chance you can either make inside your house, or you can go and order to some big movie or not movie, some big sweet stall like Saravana Bhavan or Grand Sweets or Hotel Taj or wherever you want, right? Go to some 5-star hotel, can order. I want 100 kgs of sweet, or you hire somebody and make inside your house 100 kgs of sweet, right? So your choices was based on cost, time, and various factors. So this guy decided to make the sweet in his own house. It didn't come out well, and all the 100 kgs has been thrown out. So he lost money and everything, right? It's not successful. So decision making is very important. So you should have a lot of data. So I think probably we should discuss how do you decide, right? So maybe we'll do a case study how to decide sometime, right? So decision making is very, very important. Even in your personal life or your career, college, decision making is very important. You have to have some data. I think who moved my cheese would have told you about decision making, right? You would have understood. I'll try and get some case study for decision making. Just one of you write down and remind me. Why don't you write down and then send me an email that I had to work on a case study for decision making. Write down so that. Write it down and just send an email. Okay, that one. Okay. Then the other thing I want to ask is I sent an email a couple of days before about a problem solving kind of a thing for coming Sunday. I gave 2 examples. I formed 2 teams. So did any of you understand what is to be done? Did any of you get to start working on that? Or did you read the email at all? How many of you read the email?
I have read, sir.
We read that, sir.
Okay. So do you understand what is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So is there any question on that? Anything you want? Any details you want?
Sir, we should design the model, sir.
No, not mod. You should design your block diagram and a flow chart, right? The first step, there are many steps, lot of steps, right? So we'll start with, do you know what is a block diagram? No, right? I think probably you should ask me if you don't know, right? It's about 2 days old. I asked him, ask me questions, I told, right? Why don't you ask? If you don't ask, I'll assume that you know, right? Okay, let me draw here what is the block diagram. Give me a minute. Guys, please ask me questions anytime, man. So let me draw a CPU. You all know what is a CPU, right? What is CPU? Okay, so let me say CPU, right? So, or let me not take CPU. Let's assume it is a cell phone. You all will know cell phone, right? This is Snapdragon, let's assume, right? This is a cell phone chip. Okay? So you're designing a chip for cell phone. So I'll show you a block diagram for a cell phone quickly. So you'll have a CPU, right? And you have a GPU, correct? And you'll have a modem. I showed you a block diagram in the first class, right? You have a modem. And what else? You'll have a video decoder, you'll have a camera, right? And what else you have? You'll have peripherals, you'll have what peripherals you have? You'll have a flash controller, whatever, right? And you'll have some I2C, whatever, UARTs, you have interrupt controller, right? Lot of blocks, right? All this will be connected through a bus interface. I showed you, right? Some bus interface and all these things are connected. Correct or not? Go and revise in the making of SOC. There's a block diagrams. So this is what you have to show. So if you want to design one of those problems, you have to show what are the blocks we'll have. We'll have a CPU. Then you have to come up. I don't know. So you have to use your brain and take my help. No, it's not exam. So if you want any help, just call me. We'll have a separate meeting. Not in this class. Right? So one of you take a leadership. I don't know, whoever wants to take, you decide, right? One of you be the front end, other people you work as a team, right? There should be captain, right? So one of you become a captain. There are 2 teams. I want 2 captains. So that guy, you captain responsible for discussing within the team, then come and talking to me for ideas and review the concepts. So who wants to be the captain? So Wales team, who wants to be the captain? Who wants to be? I'll nominate if nobody is picking up. Guys, come on, man. Hello, are you there? Sriram? Girish? Raja? Are you there? Hello? What's happening in the class? Guys, are you there or not?
Yes, sir, we are there, sir.
Yeah, I'm wondering if the connection is lost or not. There's no response. Guys, when I ask a question, please respond. Girish, Sriram, Ishwar to talk.
Okay, sir.
Captain. It's very captain for discussion. Who wants to be the captain for the Wales team? Okay. Let me nominate Girish. Girish should be the captain. Okay? Girish, are you there? Okay, it doesn't matter. Girish is nominated. I'll call it separately. So other team. So who wants to be the captain?
Maybe, sir.
Who's that? Whose voice?
Vishnu, sir.
Vishnu. Okay, very good. So Vishnu will be the captain. Okay. So your job is, the captain's job is to talk within the team. Make sure that you come with the plan, and any questions are there, you have to call me and discuss with me. Okay. Right. So you take my support. You don't have to do on your own. I'll help you. I know it's very difficult. You are just started. You may not have. If you don't have any idea, fine, no problem. Come and talk to me. I'll give you ideas. But you have to come to me and tell, I don't have any idea. You help me, right? Unless you come and tell that, how do you know? So same, look at the cricket, right? There's a coach, there's a captain, there's a team. The bowler, spin bowler comes and says, I don't know how to bowl googly, no? What happens? He goes to a coach and tells, teach me how to bowl a googly, right? Correct or not? So same way, right? You have to come and learn. Tell your captain will come and talk to me. Very simple, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please communicate. All I'm saying, see, please Not communicating is very dangerous and I do not like. Okay. So please communicate. When you send any email, any message, get back to me within 24 hours. Understood, say you understood. If not understood, say I don't understand. Okay. So keeping quiet is not an excuse. So again, my objective, all of you have to, right? Failing, not getting back, or getting a job. Job. So whatever you say, right? Okay, so that's enough. Let's get back to class. Okay, so counter. What is a counter? So counter is a sequential. So let me not read. I think your slide. I'll just talk now in the interest of time, right? So counter has a bunch of registers. We all know what is a register, right? The registers are connected in certain fashion, and the counters count from, you all know counters count from 0 to some n, whatever it is. It's 4, 16, 32, 64, right? And there are various types of counters: modulo counters, gray counter, binary counter, asynchronous counter, synchronous counter, ripple counters. Right? So you all know what are the different type of counters. I'm sure you have studied. JK flip-flop based, D flip-flop based, T flip-flop based. So I'm not going there. This is not a classroom, right? So I'm assuming you have read what is a counter in the class, right? Maybe only Yogesh may not know. Yogesh, do you know what is a counter?
I think I've heard it before in computer science.
Pardon?
I think I've heard it before in computer science. If I don't understand it, I'll just search.
Okay, yeah, you can just go to Wikipedia and search counter in the digital logic design. You'll understand, right? And if you don't understand, just let me know. I'll call you and talk to you. Okay? It's very simple. It's a certain flip-flops connected in certain fashion, and it's like a counting. You have counter machine, right? So like that, it's a digital logic which helps you. Every clock pulse will increment by 1 or decrement by 1. So that's a counter, right? So as simple as that. So that's what you look at the truth table, right? Let me use the pointer. So initially 0 0 here. On the first clock it is 1. Second clock it is 1 0. So its state is 2 and the decimal output is 2, like that, right? Then 3, then 4. So it increments by 1 every clock cycle. That's the definition of the counter. How do you implement it? I'll not go there. It's up to you. So synchronous counter. What is synchronous counter? The same clock pulse is applied to all the flip-flops that counter simultaneously. So that's called synchronous counter. Okay? So you see here. That is synchronous, right? We thought what is synchronous design? The same clock goes to all the flip-flops. That is synchronous, right? Asynchronous, as I told you, right? So there is no relationship to clock. You know what is asynchronous reset in the last class? It is independent of the clock. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's look at this Verilog example. Give me a minute. Hey. I logged out, right? Start doing double it. What I gave a password. How can it happen, man? Maybe I forgot my password also. Okay, it's loading. Good. No, not good. Okay, doesn't matter. I think let's use the link. Does it open directly or you have to log in? Yeah, okay, good. So let's look at it here. So don't just look at focus. Can you see this one screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, focus only on this. Don't see other part. I'll tell you. It's a little bit complicated. So see only this. And this part you understand, right? So what type of reset is this? What type of reset?
Fast switch.
Raja, I want Raja to answer. What type of reset is this? Raja, I told about 4 types of reset in the last class, right? Let me repeat. Synchronous active low reset, synchronous active high reset, asynchronous active low reset, asynchronous active high reset. So what? So there are 4 resets I told you, right? So what type of reset is this one? Raja, are you there?
No, sir.
Raja is not there. Okay, no problem. So who wants to talk next? Balaji, what type of reset is this? Balaji? Balaji? Balaji, can you hear me?
Sir,
Yeah, what
Yes, sir.
type of reset is this?
active high asynchronous reset.
What is active high?
Asynchronous.
Very good, excellent. So don't feel shy. Don't be afraid. So this is active. So this is active high because the reset is 1, then it will be going to be 0. The asynchronous because whenever the reset changes, irrespective of the clock, this will be executed, right? So remember, so this is nothing new, same as last class. So what do? You reset, you go 0. If it is else, q equal to q plus 1. So what do you do? When you reset is 0, counter is 0. If it is otherwise, every clock edge, the q will keep incrementing, right? So that's fine. Then what I'm doing, see here, that's a trick. I put something called parameter. There's a keyword called parameter, and I'm using a word called width, right? I'm defining a width is 2, and the output is width minus 1, which is 2 minus 1, 0. That means what? 2 bits, right? So 2 bits. I'm saying it's a 2-bit counter, right? Then you may ask why I put the, I could have write 1 down to 0. I could have said, right? I can just say output. That's what we did in the last class, right? Square brackets 1 down to 0 can q, right? So why put this parameter? Because parameterized means what? What do you mean? Parameterized in English is what do you mean parameter in English? What is a parameter?
It's a condition.
No. What is a parameter? You go to dictionary and see what is a parameter.
Criteria, sir.
Pardon?
Criteria.
Criterion is one answer, okay. Okay, so fine, let's not, you go to Wikipedia, take your dictionary and see. See, anything we tell, you understand literally what does it mean. Then you'll not forget. So in this context, parameters, you are assigning some parameter. So it is something like a knob. You have a way to change it, like at any time when you want, right? So it's like a knob. I don't know, I'm thinking what example I can give. It's something programmable. It's like your CPU, understand? If you have a CPU, you can write any type of software based on your need, and you can customize the CPU to your needs, right? I can make a CPU work like a adder. I can make the CPU work like or microprocessor work like an adder. It can work like a multiplier. It can work like a something else. Like correct, right? You can run different applications on the same computer. Same way. So when you say parameterized, it's customized. So you can the same code, you can make it work like a 2-bit counter, 3-bit counter, 4-bit counter, 10-bit counter, without touching the design again. Correct? You understand? Focus is the concepts. So once I code it, right, you'll say I'll demonstrate it, right? Just by using a word called parameter. So you don't have to touch your design at all. So you maintain it like a library. You can reuse it multiple number of times. Okay? Guys, is it clear? Sriram.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sriram, Girish. Guys, who are on the call? Let's do a roll call, man. It's half an hour into the thing. I want to know. Just do attend roll call. Start. Vishnu, are you there? Vishnu, you're there. Balaji, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Bhuvanesh?
Sir, I am in the call, sir.
Prabhat?
Yes, sir. I am in the call.
Shankar?
Yes, sir, I am in the call, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Ishwar is here next to me. I have no problem. Sriram? Sriram is not there. Guys, don't make this like a classroom. I don't want to be taking lectures. Sriram is not there. Girish? Not there. Raja? Not there. Rakesh? Not there. Only Ishwar is present. So only 6 people present out of, and you have Yogesh, I know the way he spoke, I know. So out of 11 people, only 6 people don't know. It's pretty bad, man. And other 5 guys are going to get me call today just after this meeting. I'm not taking it easy. And probably I'll come with a nice way to treat this. So who are all there? If there are other people are not there, right? Yeah. Girish is there. I don't know why he's not talking. He's not there? Okay. So I'm
Yeah, I'm there from Wales.
okay. So let's have some fun task for them, man. Maybe they have to take us for a treat or something. They have to order some pizza for us or something. Let's do something. So what do you guys think? What kind of assignment we can give them to make it interesting? Not that we have to. You don't know. I don't want to penalize people. I don't like it, but we should make it very interesting, and they should understand how serious it is. So what task we can give them? It should not be a punishment. Can you just think of something, Ishwar? Okay. They have to come and tell 10 jokes in next class and make other people laugh. And you will pretend not laugh and they should make you laugh. Okay? Shall we do that? Let's do the next
Yes,
class.
sir.
Today is what? Tuesday. Thursday's class. So I'll tell them they have to come. Each one of them has to tell 10 jokes and make. But you should all try not to laugh. But their job is to make you laugh. Okay? They have 10. They have 10 chances. The 4 of them have 10. Let's do that differently. Let them come prepared. But you guys should not laugh. Their job is to make you laugh. You know, if you go to VGP Golden Beach, there's a statue man will be there, right? You can tell jokes that they will never
Yes.
remove, right? Have you seen that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so let's be like that. You be the statue man. Other 4 defaulters will have crack jokes and make you laugh. Right? So let's see if they're successful or not. Let's do that. So let's do it. I don't like punishment. We should not do punishment, man. We are not kids, right? We are grown up adults. You are not teenagers. You have right to vote. Most of you, right? You are adults. So I hate punishments. Ishwar, did I ever punish you? Not when you're a kid, right? Yeah, so I don't punish kids. I don't punish. Kids will get punishment. Like that's okay. You're not kid. Yeah, let's do the jokes. Even money part I don't like because the girl usually give money because you go to his father and ask 100 rupees and give me and go, right? So money is not the thing because you're not earning that money, right? So I don't want to get the money part. So let's do this, right? If somebody is not showing up, they'll get some funny assignment. You just go and sweep your road, that kind of a thing, task, right? Send pictures, put on your Facebook, like that, right? That is you clean the road, right? Or you go to a slum and teach 2 kids. So let's do different tasks, right? Let's do the task driven. So let's do that. Let me talk them. They have to come and tell 10 jokes in the next class. That's assignment. It's not a punishment, it's assignment. Let them come prepared. So same way, if any of you miss the class, you will get such assignments. Even if you come late, there will be some assignments. You can come up to 3 minutes or 5 minutes is grace time is allowed. Let me put that way, right? 3 o'clock the class, you can come up to 5 minutes. Anything more than 5 minutes, there will be assignment. Okay? What is the assignment? I don't know. We'll decide on the day. Or one of you will decide the assignment for others. Let me not decide that also. Right? So let's do that way. But don't give serious assignments. It should be fun. Cleaning the road. Right? Clean the toilet in your house with Harpic or whatever the thing. That kind of assignments, right? Cook food for home in one day. Or 1 meal a day you cook in the home. Like that, right? So we'll have some funny assignments. Okay. So what we are thinking, okay, so parameter is that one, right? So parameter is basically a value which you can change it dynamically from the test bench or from other designs. Okay, there are ways to change that. I'll show you. You understand what is parameter now? So right now it is 2-bit. I'll show you how to make this as a 4-bit counter, 8-bit counter without touching this RTL, without touching this code. Okay? Agreed, guys? So let's come here. So same thing. So I'm defining here also parameter equal to 2. So I'm defining same thing. So just look at this. This is slightly different. All these parts are same as before. So I'm passing here. So this is a hash. This is a syntax. Hash and within brackets. Oops. Within brackets, you write something called width. The same thing, the same constant. You can hard code it also. You can put 2. I put it width because it's more readable. Right? I can put Ishwar also there. Nobody will understand what is Ishwar, right? So any name you give meaningful names. Right? Instead of clock, I can put some XYZ I can put, but don't use it. Give meaningful names. So other people reading your code will understand what is it, right? Width is understandable, right? It says width of the counter. I don't have to write width of the counter. It says width, so you understand. It's a counter and it's a width, people know what is it, right? So width equal to 2. So then you pass the width like a parameter. This is a syntax hash, and within brackets what is the value you want to pass, and then everything else is same. You generate the clock, right? And you apply reset same as before, and you wait for 200 clocks and say finish. Okay? So there are 2 things only learned here. You learned something called a parameter 2 here, and that's how you define it here. And in the test bench and other places, use a parameter. You do like this, and you define it like this. You pass during instantiation. This is called instantiate. When you instantiate, you pass this particular parameter, and rest of the logic is same. And here also use the same width. So it becomes more readable. So anytime, this is another guideline, don't hard code any values. Use this kind of parameter kind of thing and make it readable, right? So it's easy for others to understand your code, and for you also, you come after 1 month and look at your code, you'll easily understand what is it. Okay? So make your code friendly, readable friendly. So any questions on this, guys? All of you understood? Yogesh?
Yeah.
Vishnu, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shankar,
Yes, sir.
should I repeat or you understand?
Yes, sir. Somewhat.
Okay. So what you didn't understand, tell me, I'll explain again.
Sir, first of all, didn't. I couldn't able to recollect what is that asynchronous high. If you told that q is equal to 0, that is asynchronous active. That's
Okay, let me define. Okay, quickly we will talk offline, right? Sometime later, but I'll quickly tell what is. Only this I'll explain. So asynchronous is something independent of the clock. Okay, is that clear? When you say asynchronous,
Sir,
there is no relationship to the clock. It's asynchronous.
No,
Right?
sir. I'm asking in the form. You told that you asked some. Highlighted some point and asked what is that? To say synchronous active or like that. How to find that?
Oh, very good.
Asynchronous
Fine.
active.
Okay. You know what is asynchronous? You know what is active high, active low, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So you tell me first, like, look at this. Is this a reset? You understand, right? So
Yes,
is
sir.
this active high reset or active low reset? Can you tell me? What do you mean by active high reset? When the reset value is 1, you'll go and make the output as 0 or the flip-flop as 0. Correct? That is active
Yes.
high reset. When active low reset means the reset is low, the output or the flip-flop contents will become 0. Okay? That is active low reset. Correct?
Okay. If the
Okay?
output is 1, then it is active, right, sir? If output
No,
is
no, no.
0, then
Control. No, no, no. Not the output. Output. Reset means output or you'll always 0. Reset. What do you mean resetting? Your phone has reset means what? That means you lost all the contents, right?
yes,
It
sir.
rebooted. Okay. So that means it come back to default values. 0 or default value, whatever it is. It's called default state. That is reset. Oh, my brain is not working. It's reset, you're telling, right? That means you're not able to think anything. Everything is lost. That is reset. Right? So
Yes, sir.
okay. So active high is the control signal. Active high, active is based on the control. Reset is a control signal. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. So active high means when reset value is 1, that's what it is. What does it mean? When reset is 1, then this statement will be executed, correct?
Yes, sir. More
Okay.
than or less than.
Yeah. Your reset is 1, this is executed. So what type of reset is this?
Active, sir.
Active?
Is that active, sir? I'm thinking.
It is active high reset. Okay. When reset
Okay,
value
sir.
is 1, the Q becomes 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it is active high reset. That means.
Okay, sir.
Understand? If I write
Yes,
like
sir.
this,
Yes.
let me. If I write like this, what reset is this?
Low, sir. Active. See, the
Active?
low.
Active low. Yes. Sorry. So this is active high reset. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm sorry, I cannot save this. Okay. So so this one, right? So anything you put here, so what happens, right? So this, what do you mean by English? Let's look at it. What at is a keyword. So there's an event. At means, right? At is an event. So if the passage of clock happens, or passage of reset happens, positive edge, right? Or is there any one of those event happens, 0 to 1 transitions? Either a clock changes from 0 to 1 or the reset changes from 0 to 1. Then it is going to enter inside this begin end block. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this reset is happening independent of the clock. Right? Let's say the clock is not changing, but reset is changing. Okay. So
It's not dependent.
will it enter inside the begin end? Yes, it will enter, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is asynchronous. Irrespective of the clock, your logic is going to get active. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that is asynchronous. That means. Agreed?
Yes, sir. If the reset is independent of the clock, it is asynchronous.
Correct.
Am I right?
Correct.
Am I-
Yes. Not not just reset, any control signal. Asynchronous means it's totally independent. Somebody is working in their
Okay.
own speed, right? I am running at certain speed. I'm running at 100 kilometers per hour. You're coming at 20 kilometers per hour. That is not asynchronous. Both of us are
Okay.
running the same 100 kilometers per hour. We are running synchronously, right? Look at dictionary. Go and
Okay,
search
sir.
Wikipedia. Find what is asynchronous. Is something two independent events are happening, not related to each other at all.
Okay,
Right?
sir. Okay, sir.
Synchronous means it's in lock steps. Both are happening at, you are walking synchronous. The same speed something is happening, that is synchronous. Correct?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So that's
Yes,
what
sir.
it
Okay,
is.
sir. Now understood, sir.
Very good. I think you have to do the lab, then you'll understand. Otherwise, it's very difficult. I know you don't have a computer. Yeah, by the way, I have a good news, man. I think I should tell. I think let me announce it. So it's for both Vishnu and Shankar. Now you don't have computers, right? Correct? Who doesn't have computer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm going to get from a company called Radisys. So which company is Radisys?
That one was the CEO. He was talking
Yes.
about
So from their company,
We
in fact,
talked-
they have an office in Bangalore. They are going to give away 2 used computers. Okay. So I worked with them. I worked with 2-3 people, but these guys agreed. So there's a process because they're all bonded. It means like it's been with the Software Technology Park of India. There's been some process. So they cannot just take out equipments from the company, right? So they have to do certain process, and within week to 10 days they'll be able to ship the items to us, right? And the certain other logistics. I think I need to arrange for receipts, or maybe I'll work with somebody else, or I'll work with the respective HODs in the colleges. I'll work on that tomorrow. And roughly about 10 days to 2 weeks time, you should have your computer with you. What configuration, I do not know. It's in working condition, that's all I know. Right? And please accept whatever condition it comes. I know it's in working condition,
Sure, sir.
right?
Sure, sir.
I don't know what it's i7, i5, i2, I have no idea. Let it come and we use, because you should be thankful to those guys, right? Because just they're helping us.
Sure, sir.
So it's in difficult times, they're helping, and they're told they will ship it to us. So I'll make sure that it comes to your home directly. It doesn't come to me. I'll work on that. Right? Just text me your home or wherever you are there for till next 2 weeks. Right? If you think you'll not move in your native place, we are there. Just send me your address, phone number, all that is in WhatsApp to me. So I'll work
Sure.
through them and make sure that, but you have to make sure that you don't leave that place for 2 weeks. Right? So otherwise you say, oh, come to Chennai in 2 weeks, and to reach them to Chennai again, it will not happen. Wherever the address sent, it will go there only. I'll figure it out. If they can send, they'll send the address, or it will come to me, then I'll have to send it to you. I'll figure it out. I'll work with you on that. Okay, I'll talk to you offline. Yeah, but yeah. So see how people do the magic actually, right? So he came and he was happy with you guys, and so I was even talking to them before, and there's another guy I worked with that too. At least three or four people I was working with, and these guys they came ahead and they gave approvals, right? So if your attitude is right, your intention is right, and things will happen automatically. Let's keep God and everything away. I'm not even going to that, right? So if your thoughts and your goals are noble, definitely somebody will come and support you. That's the message, right?
Thanks for helping us, sir.
Yeah, let it come. Yeah, then we'll send a nice message to them. Let's see how we can. But just keep them in your prayers. That's the minimum thing what we can do, right? Let's pray for their welfare, right?
Sure,
Okay.
sir.
Right. Okay. So that's one thing. Okay. So this is clear, and so the parameter is clear to everyone. What is the parameter? This statement and this statement. Is it clear? We have 15 more minutes.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So let's run the lab. Why, man? Okay, login, no save. Let's agree what are the cases, man. Okay. Okay, it was various training class. I think let me one thing. I keep forgetting password. I have so many accounts. Sorry, keep bad in remembering the passwords. We'll come here. See, when you save, right? You go in your playground, you can see the same design comes. So you should save. See here what happens. Reset is 1. The output was X till that time, right? Unknown. When reset came 1, here the reset and clocks come the same time. I think I should move the reset a little bit before. You see the Q will come before, right? I'll show that to you. Right? The reset is removed. What happens to Q? 1, 2, 3, it becomes 0. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2. You understand, right? It can't go to 4 because it's only 2 bits. Yeah, binary 2, right? Maybe I should show in binary radix. Right? 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then there's no carry. It go to 0. It'll keep repeating. See how it is in the counter so fast, no? You have to draw the truth table, draw the Karnaugh map. So you don't have to do that. It's all waste. What you did in college is waste. Let me tell you that. Don't go and tell your professors and HOD, man. They'll blast me. Okay. Right? So I'll not tell waste. There are concepts. That's theory. This is practical. That's what I'm telling you, right? That's theory. It's practical. Let me not use that. I'll take back my word. Let me not call waste. Nothing is waste, right? Sorry. Right? So this is a practical way of designing a counter. Okay. So let me move this one a little bit before. I should save this. Save. So what should happen now? See here. So Shankar, can you see this? The reset is active. The output changes 0 immediately, industry of the clock. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I showed in the last class also. Probably you didn't follow. So the reset is high. The output becomes 0 immediately.
Sir, don't mistake me, sir. If I zoom also, it's not clear, sir.
I know, man. Phone, yeah, this problem will be there. I understand, right? So you ask questions, or you see the video, or later, right? Or you call me, or you talk to Pawan, right? Pawan is good in very
Sir,
lot.
Pawan
Right?
is sir, he's helping me out, sir.
Yeah. Please ask one or any of the other friends, right? You have to ask. I know it's painful to see from
Sure.
the mobile. I understand that, right? So you ask questions, man. It's okay. Nobody will say I'll not. If they say I'll not help, it's okay. Say thank you and move ahead. No problem. Maybe they
Sure,
were busy,
sir.
or so you ask, right? Worst case, what he'll do? No, I don't have time. He'll say I don't want to tell you. He'll tell, right? That's okay, no? Ignore and move on. At least you asked, right?
Sure, sir.
So asking for help is important because we cannot do everything. So for 2 laptops, right? Can I would have solved the problem on my own? No. So I ask for help. I'm getting it, right? If I keep my mouth shut, will this problem will be solved? No. Correct?
No, sir. No, sir.
So you have to ask for help. Worst case, the guy will say, no, I cannot help you. So, okay, say thank you, no, and move on. Be nice to people. Don't scold that person, right? Be
Sure,
nice
sir.
to people, and so next time you go, maybe he may help you, right? Not everyone can help you, right? Whoever is possible, then they will only help you, right? So ask for help. If you don't understand, please ask. Asking
Yes, sir.
questions is important thing. However stupid the question, please, no question, stupid question. I keep repeating that. You learn only by asking questions. You write it in your bold letters and put it somewhere where you see. You can learn anything only by asking questions, right? And this is against
Yes,
our
sir.
Indian culture. Indian culture, you've been told not to ask questions, correct? To your parents or
Sir.
elders, you have to obey them always, no? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Agree or disagree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Agree,
But
sir.
ask question the right way. You cannot come and blast. Hey, come and tell me this. No, don't use that language, right? Politely you ask people. People definitely will help. There's a way to ask, right? Ask questions in the right way. Challenge people in the right way. Don't boss around, right? Don't be egoistic. Ask politely. Then definitely will help you, right? And they don't
Sure,
help
sir.
you, okay, that's their problem. No, leave it and go. You have nothing to lose. A couple of minutes you spent, that's all. Okay. So let me not do preaching. Let me get on to class. Okay. So I'll show you one thing. I'll change this value to 4. Okay. See what I did? So what should happen now? You tell me. What will happen?
This will change to 4-bit.
So what will happen?
You will get 0, 0, 1.
How?
You will get 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1,
Man,
1.
you'll go count till 15. So why don't you tell that? You have 4 bits. 1, 1, 1, 1 is 15. You'll count up to 15, right? So let's run. See, it counted till A. I think I had to increase the time. See, 0, 1. It went till A, right? A is 10.
Ah.
So let's increase the time duration. I'll make this 500. You wait for more time, right? Give more clocks. So what happened? It went till F. Then when F is what?
F is 15. Okay. Yeah, F is
1, 1, 1, 1, right? Then it's, the whole thing repeats again. Agreed? Agreed? Counter.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
what is the application of a counter? Where will you use a counter? Let me ask you this.
anywhere where you want to count something.
No man, give me application. Anywhere
Bank
you put, I
token.
understand that. Everyone knows that. So where will you use it? What kind of functionality in electronics will you use it?
Traffic system, bank token counter.
Pardon?
Traffic system,
Traffic signal, very good. So you count, right? 6, you get a timer, right? 2 minutes you have to wait. You put a counter there. So you call it timer, simple way, right? You know what is a timer, right? Most of you in Wales, you would know. The timer is a logic which will count two various timing functions. DRS, for example, you wait for about 10 seconds, right? Within that you have to give out or not out, right? So he has a counter. You see that's counting, right? Down counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, right? Or your, whatever you call, what is that time out? What is that? Your drink breaks or something, they'll do that, right? Whatever. There's a hood coming, right? Or before the first ball is bowled, they do a countdown, right? So like that. So that's a timer, that down counter. So you should immediately tell in T20 it happens, right? Right, and yeah, so that's how you tell. Like, you correlate, man, with examples. Traffic signal is fantastic example. Thank you. Okay, so you understood, right? So very easily I can change. So what else you want to change? Tell me some other number. What counter you want to decide? So it's so easy to design counters for different values. 6. Shall we put 6? Let's add some additional number here. Let's make it 9. 6 value, what value it should go? 2 raised to 6 is how much? 64. Okay, it's good to be good in math. 0 to 63 it has to count. Let's verify. In hexadecimal, how to 63, I don't know. It's, I think we have to give more time. It's not enough. It went till 2C. Let's increase the time. Let's put 9,000. Let's see what happens. Really big simulation. It's going to take time. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty fast. Wow, see here. Yeah, how do you zoom, man? See. And how you can pan. Oh, good. I think I have to understand this too. This is panning, I suppose, right?
Yeah.
See, 25, 2F, see, 3C, see, 3F. It becomes 0 after that, right? Can you all see this? So this must be 63 and we all ones. But look at this. This changed 5 down to 0. Previously it was 3 down to 0. See, I changed only one value. Your entire behavior changes, right? Design behavior. So how easy to design? It takes a minute, right? Isn't it interesting?
Yes, sir. Interesting.
So easy, man. See how easy to design. Okay, let's come back to our PPT, right? So you know what is synchronous counter? We have designed it. Okay, I think let's do pretty fast. 5 minutes to go. Maybe I'll take 5 minutes addition if you're okay. I think we did a lot of storytelling in the beginning, right? And we did attendance in between.
Okay, sir.
So I'll take 5 minutes more. I think I want to finish the counters today,
Okay.
so we can do something else next class. There are two interesting things. I think I told you what I told you. I'll tell you one thing to remind me something I forgot.
Some case study.
I told you something I forgot. I'll tell you another thing. Next Thursday there is an event. I'll talk about it. There's one more thing I want to talk. I forgot. Remind me in the end. I told you, right? Anyway, whatever it is.
About that chip thing or
If you remember it, I forgot. I think you should write down. When I say something, please write down. You should. You're next to me. Write down. All of us will forget otherwise. It's very important to write what we tell, right? Okay. So there's an up counter, down counter. What is up counter? It counts from 0 to n. Down counter is n to 0. Up down counter, it can do both directions based on a control signal. The control signal is 1, it'll do up. Control signal is down, it'll go down. So what is the example? Tell me, where will you use this? Up down counters. You think with practical day-to-day life, man, not engineering. Somebody traffic light roll, no, like that. I told T20, I told, right? So tell me some practical examples. Up-down counters, where will you use? It can go up or it can go down. So what goes up, what goes down? Elevator. Come on, lift or elevator, right? So you go to that floor
Yes,
5,
sir.
4, no, it goes up, count. When you go up, it counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 14. We have 14 floors like LIC, right? When you count down, it goes to 13, 12, like no, it comes to 0, right? So elevator, maybe there are more examples. I can think of that example. Down counter is traffic light and your T20. Up counter example, what is up counter? Your rocket launches down counter, they do, right? Up counter, tell me one example, practical example. Your watchdog is up
Speedometer.
counter. Watchdog, I told
Flight,
you,
sir.
right? Watchdog, you know, I told you, what is watchdog?
When any error happens, it will report.
So it will keep
watching
counting. There is no,
yourself.
there is no event for fixed amount of time. It will go and reset or it will give an interrupt, right? There is no activity on the bus. It's silent, right? If you think there is something is hung, then it will go and reset the processor. That means just have a counter. It will keep counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if 5 seconds, for example, there is no traffic, it will go and reset the system, right? That's watchdog. So that's one example. In real life, let's think of some example of up counter. You think, man, you think later. I think we're running out of time. You think. Yeah, I think I'll skip. I think same thing. I think I already spoke about it. There is a mode control. M equal to 0, it will count up, and M equal to 1, it is going to count down, right? So let's see this example. What happened? What, man? I didn't save. Crazy. Okay, yeah, here it comes, right? So same as the previous thing, but I added a control circle up down. Can you see this? The previous example, you had only 3 parameters, Q, clock, and reset. I added up down.
Yes.
Up down is the input, right? So if the reset is 1, say asynchronous reset. This is 1, Q is 0. Up down is 1, Q plus 1. Yeah, else is Q minus 1. So up value is 1, it will increment. If up is down, agreed? So it's so simple. So highest priority is for reset, second priority for up down, and then it goes up or goes down. And this part is pretty much same. Only thing some part in between I'll change the up down value to 0. Correct? After 200 clocks or 200 like whatever time unit I'm making up down to 0, right? And I'm waiting for another 200 cycles down. Do you understand this? Initially it is up down, it's up counter. After some time it will do the down counting.
Okay, sir.
Understood, right?
Yes.
So let's run. So it's so easy. See here, up counter, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Now we down 2 to 1, 0, 0 to 3, 2, 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, 0. So spend a minute. So counting to 3, 3 to 0, right? It has 0 carry, right? Becomes 0, it counts to 0, 1, 2. At this point of time in between, see this is asynchronous. Up down is working asynchronous, correct? No, up down is working synchronous, sorry. It's a synchronous. You changed here, but the output changing with respect to the clock. Reset is asynchronous, but it looks synchronous here. It's asynchronous reset. But this up down is synchronous, right? You will change the value here. The value output changes here only, right? Now what will happen? 2, it becomes 1, it becomes 0. After that it should become 3, 2, 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, 0. Clear? So let's change the width. What value of the width you want to use? 3. Let's use 3. And let's increase the times a little bit. Let's make it 300. So what should happen? How much it should count? 8, right? 3 bits. 2 raised to 3 is 8. It counts till 7. 0 to 7. 0 to 7. So it went 0. No, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So simple. You change one place and you got a new counter. Agreed? Guys, is it clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Sounds good. So we did this. Okay, same thing. Yeah, he's doing a block diagram, two table, the theory of it. So it's the previous output, mode control, the clock. Then based on the previous output, it will increment, right? So output of the previous flop goes to next flop. If previous is 0, then become 1. 1 becomes 2. So anything, this is like a state machine. Probably next class we'll talk about state machine. So you have to know the previous state and next state. Right? Did all of you, maybe Yogesh may not know state machine, but I'm going to talk about state machine next class. I'll tell you what are different type of state machines and everything, right? So you have something called previous state and next state. In counter, what is the previous state? 0 becomes 1. So 1 is previous state, 1 is the next state. When you come to 1, 1 is the previous state, 2 is the next state. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look at here, right? So this is the previous, this is the next state. If up comes, this is the previous, this is the next. I'll wait for next class. I'll talk about more. Okay, this is one more example. What does this say? Guys,
Sir.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I think something happened. I got disconnected.
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Yeah. So can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Able
Yes,
to
sir.
hear
I
you.
can hear.
You're able to see the screen?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So quickly, right? So I'm adding two inputs. One is called load, one is called D. So what I'm trying to do is, see, let's say counter was starting from value of 0 always, right? But you want to start some prefixed value. Instead of starting from 0, I want to start with 2. So how do you do that? Then you have to have a more control signal to control that. So I have a signal called load, and I'm giving one more input called D. So when load is 1, the D should go to the Q. When load goes 0, it starts incrementing or decrementing, right? So that's why I have a new control signal, and the D is also coming. So look at, right? This is same, this is same. So load is getting added here as control signal, and input D is getting added as separate here, right? This input got added, this input got added, okay? And here what I do, first is reset, highest priority. If not reset, you look at the load. If the load is 1, then D goes to the Q. Correct? Agreed? That's what we said we want to do. Shankar, you're able to follow? Okay. So if the load is 1, D goes to the Q. But the up down is one same. This is same as before. Up down is one will be up or down. Right? This is only one thing we have added. Okay. If the load is 1, it goes to D. So that is only one change. You understand? And here I did something different. So I added. See here what I did. I'm using new variables called mode, load, and all. Right? See here what I have done. This is same, but this part is slightly different now. Okay. And this is the recommended way of instantiating. Previous one I used to show as an example only. Previously, how was it? We do it like this, right? This is what we did last time, right? Right? This is what we did, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, probably I'll save this for reference. Right? So that is not good. What happens is, if you write like this, it is okay technically, but you have to follow the same order. Whatever Q, clock, reset, you should come in the same order. If you miss something, the signal will be mapped in different ways. Correct? For example, if I put load and reset, if I interchange, if I put reset, probably I'll put the next line, probably you'll understand. No, something up down, maybe I made some mistakes. Right? Basically, we exchange. What happens? The load gets connected to reset, and reset gets connected to the load. It gets reverse, which is not correct, right? You make some mistakes sometimes. So what you do is in coding, this is the right way you have to do. Dot Q. So what is the port name? This is called port name. Now I'm going a little bit technical. These are all called ports. Input port, output port. Correct? Any circuit is the input and output, right? Port is what is the port? Pin. If you take a 7404, you would have seen the lab, right? There's input, there's output, D and Q, right? So that is called port. In Verilog, you call it a port. Input port, output port. What is a port? You call C port, you say air port, C port. So what does it mean? It communicates with external world. Flight goes from one city to another city. But right, don't ask me why you say the railway port. You don't say, you say railway station, right? You say port or shipment or airport, you say airport. Basically, port is you basically communicate to the outside world, right? Similarly, the port here is PORT, port. That means you communicate to the outside world from this design. So either input or output port. You call it a port, right? So the Q is one port of the child module, and in the test bench, or this is a child, right? Remember, right? This is a child and this is a parent. You know that, right? This is a child and this is instantiating that. So this is a parent and this is a child, right? In the parent module, so you put the child module name and you put whatever signal you want to call it in the top level module, the parent, right? Some of you will have a pet name at the home, but outside you'll be known a certain name, right? In the house they may call you donkey, but but in the college you'll have a certain name, right? I'll give you an example. Sorry if I offend you, I'm just joking, right? So you'll have some pet name in the home, whatever they call, right? But external facing will have certain names, very similar to that. So inside this particular level, child has a name. When it comes to the parent, now you are remapping the name. I'll give you an example, right? So what was called load as LD, this module I'm calling it LOAD. Okay? What was called as up down, previously UPDAW1, I'm calling it as a mode. What was called as a D, I'm calling it as a DN. So child was D and parent is DN. It's very like a nickname. Or your friends may call you with some nickname, right? But officially teacher will not call you. Teacher will have a formal name, right? It's very similar to that. So this is a nickname kind of thing. This is a formal name, right? So you do the nickname first and then the formal name. So that's how you map it. In this way, see here, I would have remapped, right? So Q, clock, after the reset has to come, but I'm putting load after that. So it is not an issue. So this is called positional or mapping, right? This is called positional, right? Previous order. So it's based on position. You have to use the same order. And this has some other technical name, so forget about it. You can easily go to the textbook and tell. So you use this way, you can easily put in any way what you want. So, but still the same functionality will be mapped. So, see, it's like a roll number, right? Previously you have a roll number at the college. So Ishwar will have roll number 10, Raja will have roll number 11, right? So you have to go with that order, 1, 10, 11, right? But if you do this kind of mapping, 11 can come before 10. That's why your name, you give us some name, right? So if we call Raja, Raja will answer. Otherwise, if we call by roll number, it has to go to 10 to 11 to 12 only, right? You cannot skip, you have to go in certain order. But if you go this way, you can easily shuffle in any order you want. Okay? Understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Confusing or understanding? Confusing?
Yes, sir.
You think about it. You ask me questions offline, okay?
Yes.
So let me run this. See here what happens. Load is high. Where is load? The load is high. I'm loading a value of 5. This is a 4-bit counter. I don't know, it is showing 31. I don't know. It's a 4-bit counter, right? So 5, then increment, right? Up down is low. Up down is high. So it's going to up counting. After 5, see after 0 it goes to 5 directly after reset. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. Then down counting. E, B, C, D, E, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 will go to 0. Understand? Now it starts with 5. That's what is the only difference. Because you are getting a value of load value of 5. Correct, guys? Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. So no homework for today. I think I gave some homework, right? Search for Wikipedia. What are different fabrication companies? What is the fabless and what is the fab? Questions, right? What I had missed. Yeah, modulus encounter probably will skip, probably will know. It will count only till that particular. Not 4, it will count only till that 3. Not 6, it will count till only 5. After 5, it will become 0 again. It will not go till 7. Mod 5 counter will not count till 0 to 7. It will stop at 0, 5 and will come back to 0 again. Right? Maybe why don't you do this an example? Mod 5 counter. This is a homework. You do one Verilog counting for a mod 5 counter. Okay? So you should have 3 bits. You write a mod 5 counter. Do it an example. Guys, any questions? The end of the day, and I told what did I told? I'll tell. Okay, next week Thursday, right? I told right? Okay. So very likely, I spoke to a friend of mine. I think I mentioned in the last class. His name is Karthik, Mr. Price Tag. I don't tell that in front of him. I don't, you may like or you may dislike, right? So he's going to come and address you on next week Thursday at 3. Between 3 to 3:30, only half an hour. He's a very busy guy. So if you like you guys, he'll spend 1 hour only. Otherwise, if you don't interact, it's only interaction. So he's very high content guys, right? He's very. I think Ishwar, have you seen him? No, right? Not in the movies. In real, I think your sister saw it. Yeah, I think you should meet him. I'll get you. You all come to Chennai, then we'll have a dinner with him one day. I'll sponsor the dinner, right? I may not eat outside, but yeah, I'll get you guys. So write down, man. Whenever after the lockdown everything ends, we are all meeting for a lunch or dinner somewhere. Maybe we'll go to movie and have a dinner. I'll get Karthik also if he has time. I'll invite him, right? So let's plan a movie and lunch sometime. But let's keep some goal. Then only we do that. Nothing comes free, right? I'm a businessman, right? So keep some task. So if you achieve that, let's go and celebrate with the movie and lunch. And we'll invite Karthik to that event. Okay? Done deal?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Maybe Yogesh may not be able to attend. He's in Hong Kong. Yeah, but the rest of us will go. But let's keep a milestone. If we hit that milestone, then we'll go and celebrate. So what is the
Sure,
milestone?
sir.
You have to tell. Right? Maybe I'll define a problem. You go and solve that problem. We'll go for movie and lunch. Right? I'll give a case study. I'll ask you some problem.
Okay, sir.
Come with the problem. Write down. Remind me. You should write down. I'll have to give a case study. It's not engineering problem. I'll give you some problem. Typically, that's how IIM works. I'll give you a problem. You have to come and present how do you solve that problem. It may be how do you implement Swachh Bharat. There'll be some vague ideas like that. I'm just throwing.
You said you will talk about your ex-boss.
Yeah, probably will not get time. That's next time. Yeah, write down, but so I'll tell
That's
you.
what he said in the
Yeah, I'll give a case study, a problem. You have to come and present, and I'll give us the 2 teams. We all do well. There'll be next week assignment. And if you all do well, then probably we'll go for a movie and lunch. Right? So I'll give a problem statement. You have to solve the problem. That is, you have to give a proposal to solve the problem, not implement. Okay? So next week on Thursday, 3 o'clock will come. I'll basically we'll do I'll give you a few points. Just like a question and answer session. I'll ask you a few questions. You have to answer them. Very generic questions I'll ask based on your field. That's why I know what your hobbies are. You already filled in, right? So based on that, I'll ask you a few questions. So it'll be a conversation based on that. So you have to talk.
Okay, sir.
Next week, Thursday. Not this week, next week. So this week, Balaji will come. Next week, there is no Saturday. We'll do it on Thursday instead of Saturday because he's busy on weekends. Right? He's
Okay,
a busy guy. So connect with him. He's on Facebook. You go and connect to him. Look up his name and I'll tell him to accept your friend request. Right? You would like to be his friend? You please give me a friend request. I'll tell him. I'll get his approval.
Sure.
I'll get his approval. Then I'll do it. Like how Balaji told, connect to LinkedIn, right? I'll tell him if he's comfortable or not, right? If you want me to send friend request to me, I'll accept it happily, right? But to him, let me ask him and then tell. You connect with him, then you know what he's working on a lot of charity and social cause and everything. So he's a good communicator, he's a good trainer, right? He's a good singer, and he's a good actor. You know, he'll talk on any subject, right? From Ramayana, Mahabharata to anything, right? Anything on the earth he can talk. So let's have a freewheeling 30 minutes. You have to make use of it. Right, I'll talk to him for more details. I'll set the context. Okay, it's a non-technical discussion. It is not a lecture at all. It is interactive. Balaji came. It's a lecture. Arun came. It's a lecture, right? So, interactive. We don't have any PPTs like this. Balaji had a PPT. Arun had a PPT. Right? No, there's no PPT here. Okay, it's very different. So hope to do that next week Thursday. Okay, yeah, but finish this assignment. The 2 assignments for this class. Finish it by this Saturday. I'll give you more time. You have previous assignments pending. So guys, please do assignment on time. I'm going to put a spreadsheet. I'm going to evaluate you guys. Because I'll have to tell your professors how you are doing, right? I owe answers to them. So I'll start keeping track of that. Your punctuality, your attendance, your discipline, your marks. All those things will be tracked. Maybe I'll take one of your people's help because I don't have all the time. Try to take one of your help to track all this progress. Okay?
Sure, sir.
Okay, thank you guys. Next part we'll talk about Daman. Remind me to talk about Daman. I'll talk about it this time.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, guys.
Sir.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.